Yo guys, you gotta watch this. You ready for this? Dude, that was pretty fire sauce. Dude, they're so new. I even got a sticker. Dude, guys, check out these new shirts, man. We got them fire shirts. They're right up here as well, guys. I don't know, you guys said I should probably get some shirts, so I got a bunch of these random fire shirts. On the back they say what the pants, and then it's like a Doge thing. Looks like this. But anyways, guys, what the pants. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the Terra Luna ecosystem and how to get in these airdrops. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Me and Puffy the mic, we're going to break this down because Puffy, he's puffy. Anyways, guys, 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. I'll leave links in the description below as well, guys, with all these different websites that I'm looking at. But guys, the Terra ecosystem is fire in my opinion. I love the DeFi ecosystem. That Do Kwon guy, you know what he's talking about. He's pretty cool, man. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go ahead and talk about it. It's like 3 a.m. and let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, guys. So first off, earn-terra.com/airdrops. These are just a couple of that have already been sent out. So like if they have a star next to it, that means they've already been sent out and claimed. And these are ones that are going to be coming out. Pylon Protocol, they just had theirs. That's why it's got a star next to it. Orion Money, that one's coming out as well. You can't claim it right now. But if you guys want to check out all the different websites, see what they're doing, you guys can visit their protocols and see what they're doing for each of the different things, how they're changing the game, what they're adding to the ecosystem. And we've already featured a couple of these on our channel. But you guys can watch these videos to see how to claim them. But basically, where you're claiming these tokens, like for example, the next airdrop that's going to be coming out, you need to be staking your mirror as well as your Luna tokens. And that's going to be for, I believe it's Spar Protocol. Yeah, so Spar Protocol is the one that's going to be having that. And then also a really cool feature is this airdrop timer. So airdrop timer basically tells you when you're going to be getting airdrops and the estimation. This happens every week. So you get a Genesis airdrop, which is like pretty lucrative. I just got the Pylon Protocol. It gave me about 1,000 tokens or something like that, or 1,200 tokens. It's not as lucrative as something like Mirror Protocol or Anchor Protocol was, but still, dude, it's what? Let me show you guys how much it was. It was like 1,200 tokens and 7.6 cents a pop. I mean, it's like, dude, why not? It's like almost $100. You can stake it, earn additional. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do. But I mean, it's just free. And then I'll get weekly airdrops for this. So it's like, what the pants? Why not? I'm already staking Luna anyways. And then also you can check out the other ecosystems as well and seeing what they're doing by going on this LUNA Terra. Make sure you guys follow this just like that. Follow all the different ones like Kato Money. Kato Money is going to be pretty cool as well. They also have another one called, it's Cash or Cash. No, it's Kashi.io or something like that. It's really cool, guys. They're going to have several other launches as well. I mean, just look at these airdrops on here. Stay tuned to their Twitter channel so you guys can see all of them that are coming up. They even have a cool little bounty program. So if you guys want to help out, you can earn $500 for explaining how Anchor works, $500 for publishing reports for Terra, $500 for explaining Columbus 5. I mean, guys, this ecosystem, I've never seen anything like it. These guys are crazy. Like, they're literally lunatics. They work for free. They work their buns off. It's awesome. I love it. And these guys, it almost reminds me of like, I wasn't around with the early days of Ethereum, but basically how everyone explains it, it's just like, hey, get me a pizza and I'll get busting on this code. These guys are like gangbusters, man. It's awesome. But in order to get into like these different airdrops, guys, the main thing is staking your Terra. After you're staking your Terra, make sure you play around with these DeFi protocols. They're mentioning about the Anchor airdrops coming out for people playing around with Anchor, people donating or people delegating to certain validators. You have to get into the ecosystem, see what they're doing. If you guys don't understand what's happening, just stay on this channel. I'll look into the research. I'll do the stuff for you. I'll say, hey, look out for this. Hey, look out for this. Because I'm already doing it. I don't mind. I just do these videos and introduce you to different ecosystems and different DeFi junk. But anyways, guys, this is how you're going to get into the different Terra ecosystem airdrops. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, these shirts are fire, man. They smell like fresh. It's pretty intense. But anyways, guys, let's go and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Prior to chapter 21 verses 15, when justice is done, it brings joy to the righteous, but terror to evildoers. Dude. That's how it rolls, man. Don't be evil. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Lou, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.